Hi everyone, my name is Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another flip through for you of a journal that I made for one of my Birdtober prompts, which was lace, inspired by Emily from Corpse Bride. And I thought it was just fun to do something different with that prompt, and I do have another 2 prompts coming up. But this is the first one that I did, and it is for sale on my Etsy shop if you're interested in buying this. But let me take you through the whole journal. It opens with a lace strap, which is removable. It has a key stitched onto the front, 3 layers of lace, and the cloth that I normally use for my journals. A wooden butterfly, and there's lace on this side as well. And this is cloth. This part is padded, this part is not. There's no pockets here, so you can do whatever you want with that. I kept this one pretty simple, but it's still absolutely gorgeous, and most of the lace in here is vintage. There's a tag there and a tuck spot. And little pockets like that as well. The second signature. There's a tuck spot there with some lace and some cards for journaling. This is the third signature. There is a pocket here, which is held in by a paper clip. And in there are journaling cards or ephemera, whatever you really want to use them for. This is the 4th signature. Little tassel and a little heart. Tuck spot. Another one. There is loads of writing space, so all these pages are mainly empty, and there's only at the beginning and the back is their pockets, so you can customize it. This one has some, this is a belly band, this has some ephemera, this is another little envelope with some ephemera. All handmade. And the back of the journal. There's more lace there. So that is it for this little journal. I will leave the link of my Etsy store in the description box below so you can check it out. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone.